What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy Right Lifestyle back with another video. And finally, the package that I've really been waiting for came in. I just got back to South Carolina. I was checking my email, and it was in a junk folder that something was delivered a couple days ago. And, you know, we both about to figure out, you know, what it is. Well, I know what it is. Y'all about to figure out what it is. But we're going to open the box up together so that, you know, we can, you know, see what it is, you know, how it looks at the same time. You know, I hope y'all doing good, staying healthy. You know, I'm kind of pissed because I did a video before this one, but guess what? The sound somehow didn't work. Mind blowing. So the whole video is quiet. So I got pissed, and I'm not gonna do a voiceover or none of that stuff. We're gonna figure out how to get it done a different way. So let me go ahead and park. Just got at the parents' crib. I hate parking over here, low key. I'm gonna go park by this. It's a Challenger over here, and it's a nice one too. But I like parking by him and revving it up because he like to rev up thinking he loud. But guess what? He ain't as loud as Nemesis. Go ahead. Oh, use the camera. Oh, look at that boy, magic. All right, but yeah, we about to go inside, man. This is the package right here. I'll give you let you see who was on there. You know what I'm saying? American Brothers. That's all y'all get. All right, let's go ahead and get inside. So I'm gonna swipe the camera this way. I keep light stuff here. I gotta finish putting these lights on. Whatever. Some of the stuff that 1UP sent. Yeah, but that's not what the video about. All right, try to do this one-handed. I'm stupid. All right, y'all. So I had to use my brain. I bought a whole what you call it, old tripod and camera stand stabilizer, and didn't even use it. And they're struggling. All right, so let's see what it is. Never cut with the knife facing towards you. I'll see what it is. Oh, I was about to get mad. I thought I was missing one. All right. Trash up. So this is what it is. Got a catch can, oil catch can. Custom made. That's the granite gray, granite crystal, just like the car. And y'all know I'm doing the blue accents, so I got the blue hoses to go with it. So I guess today we could turn the day into oh, here goes the you know, color matched endings. So I'm happy. So today I guess we're gonna do a little install video and talk about some other stuff that I did. Let's go.
Yeah. You brought well, you didn't bring the half-inch ratchet. Okay. I guess he's showing up to use that.
So basically, where the oil catch can goes is connects here. You can see?
This, yeah.
All right, it goes here. This right here. Okay, the lip, it'll catch on this lip right here. God dang, I just burned my finger. But yeah, it goes right there. You'll see. And you know, you got the hose endings, like I was saying, to go on there. And let's go ahead and just get it started. Make sure you got a clear workspace, because that's not what you want to do. Boom. That's out of there. God. We're gonna move this to the side. God damn. Y'all know I just got here from North Carolina, boy. This stuff is hot, boy. God, that burnt. That really did burn. All right, man. The long hose is gonna go on top, of course. Oh, my bad. Squeeze this sucker on here. Bugs is getting on my nerves, man. Alright, so you take off the whole rubber piece at the top. And this. Alright, that's that. Partially, put this on there. One of you little turd. Let me take this off. I shouldn't put this on there yet. Alright, well, it's on there now. God dang. I need I really wish that I had this fitting for a drill. This here is gonna get on my nerves.
I do, but it wouldn't fit.
I know, but whatever.
No, I'm talking about the drill. It's too big to.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna fast forward y'all through this.
BravoSkateBravo.com.
This is, you know, the gist of how it'll sit in there and what it'll look like. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and then I'll show y'all the actual end result after I put my magic on it. So this is it. I'm gonna have to find like some type of black band or something that I can get to put on here to cover up the little frilly part. But yeah, this is the install, real simple, didn't take long at all. This part's in there, but whatever. So yeah, I got it matched the paint, the granite crystal, the granite crystal paint. So overall, I'm happy how it looks, how it turned out. So like I was saying, that'll do it for this video. Hope that was decent, enough for y'all. I'm learning as I go, so a lot of this is like strictly like super DIY, and I'm like new to this stuff too. So, trial and error. Hopefully y'all learn through my trial and error, and y'all don't make the same mistakes I do, so thank y'all for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you do dislike it, give me some constructive feedback. Like, constructive criticism is always good. So, you're not gonna hurt my feelings, trust me. I grew up in the South, in a public school system, dark skin. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. So, if it's a funny one, I'll probably roast it back, so it don't really matter to me. But leave constructive criticism, if you do dislike it. Don't just dislike and move on. Like, tell me what I could do better. Help me become better. That way, it won't happen next time. But until then, it's your boy Right Lifestyle checking out another video.
Bravo, skate, bravo. That count.